Hi my friends, welcome back to Chick Review. Today I'm going to be recreating the cheating dream video for you guys because I think I needed to add a little bit more context to it. So let's begin. Okay, so when you dream that your partner is cheating on you, there could be only three reasons, right? The first one being that yes, probably your partner is indeed cheating. The second one, that you might be having some insecurities about your relationship that is causing you to have this dream. And the third one, it really depends, what happened during the day as your day was going by, what you experienced. If your friend was talking to you about her having issues with her boyfriend or husband because she believes that he's cheating on her, or you heard coworker having that conversation, or you saw a movie that could have been potentially the reason why you dreamed your partner was cheating on you. So it's very important that when we have this type of dream, we don't go on fighting with our partner, splitting with our partner, breaking up, getting mad at them, or harming ourselves, because there can be, as you can see, many reasons as to why we had this dream. Now, most of the time, when your partner is being unfaithful to you, you have signs. You can tell that something is not right because your partner is not acting the same way towards you, right? He stopped being affectionate, or she stopped being affectionate. She's not there when you need her or need him. Is always, busy, doesn't have time for you, doesn't care what happened to you. The relationship has just simply, cooled down, right? So if you're seeing signs like that, then it's up to you to really decide whether or not if you want to continue on with this relationship, or if you really want to dig and find out what's really going on. But if you're already unhappy, I think, in my opinion, my advice is for you to basically weight the relationship. Weight all the good things that you have experienced with that relationship against the bad ones. If there's more bad memories than good ones, then why would you want to continue on in that relationship, right? It's best for you just to move on and part ways without really finding out what's really going on, because at the end you were not happy in that relationship. And if now you have suspicious that your partner is being unfaithful, then why you want to be with that person? It just doesn't make any sense. And if, let's say, if you still want to go ahead and find out if your partner is actually being unfaithful to you, but you're not sure, then confront your partner. Ask your partner. Hopefully he or she will be honest. Most of the time they will not be honest. They will not say, yes, of course I'm being unfaithful. No, they will deny. But if your partner is not being truthful to you, then if you have the means where you can actually hire someone who can take you out of that curiosity or that doubt, then hire a detective and have them investigate your partner and see if there's something else that's going on, if you're suspicious is true. But if you were to do that, just know that again, you will feel guilty and you will be unhappy in your relationship, because you yourself will be holding or having this secret that you went ahead and investigated, hire someone to investigate your partner because you had doubts that he or she was being unfaithful. So if the investigator ends up finding nothing, then you're gonna feel guilty for doubting your partner, and you're not gonna be able to live with that. So you're gonna be unhappy again. And if you do end up finding something, then obviously it's gonna hurt and you're gonna end up moving on. Regardless, you're still gonna be unhappy. So that's the reason why I believe that if you have this type of dreams, you really have to analyze how your relationship is. Do you really think your partner is being unfaithful to you, or it was just a nightmare? Because like I just said, there can be many reasons as to why you have this dream. One, because your partner is being unfaithful. The second one, because you have insecurities. I mean, if your partner is someone who is very good looking, or your partner is someone who is constantly surrounded by women or men, like someone who is a personal trainer in the gym, right? He or she is always surrounded by beautiful women and by beautiful men. And if you're not, and you really love this person, and yet at the same time you don't feel secure about the relationship because that person doesn't make you feel like you're his everything, or her everything, then you're gonna have these dreams. This could be the reason why you're having this dream that your partner is being unfaithful, because you feel insecure about that person. You don't feel that, you know, your relationship is very solid to where you can truly trust that person of not being unfaithful to you. And you know, also, you know, probably your boyfriend or girlfriend might be very sociable, and she might have a lot of guy friends or a lot of girlfriends, or there could be one particular person that she's very close to, that is a very her best friend or his best friend, and it happens to be a woman or a man, and you don't like that person. Then this again can be the reason why you're having this dream that your partner is being unfaithful to you, because you don't trust the people that surround him. And you don't, you know, in again, if your partner doesn't give you that security where, you know, he makes you feel that you're his everything or her everything, and that she doesn't have eyes or he doesn't have eyes for anybody else, then that's the reason why you're feeling a little bit insecure. And then there's, like I said, the third reason as to why you could be dreaming this, because you heard somebody, you watch a movie that it was about, you know, cheating, or your co-worker told you about her boyfriend cheating on her, or your friend or your neighbor, etc. And that could be a reason why you also had this dream. And because there are so many reasons as to why you could have this dream, again, don't wake up fighting with your partner. You know, don't file for a divorce, don't separate from your husband. You know, you really know the reason. You have to really analyze why you had this dream. If it was because, you know, you really have signals that there's something going on, or is it because, you know, you feel insecure, or is it because, like I said, you know, you heard somebody else, you had a conversation with somebody else who is actually going through this scenario. So you really have to stop and think. And so don't take this dream too deep, whereas, you know, you're gonna now, you know, change your way of being with your partner just because you had that dream that he was cheating on you. Again, if when your partner is cheating on you, there are signals, right? We as women and men know there are signals, we can see them, you know, and it's best to always approach the person. And of course the person is always gonna deny it, or if we have the money, then investigate it. But again, I mean, you attend to the consequences, right, of doing that. And again, the best thing one can do if we're seeing signals that are very obvious is just to part ways. Because if this person is meant to be with you, regardless of what you do, you know, that person is always going to come back to you. That person is always going to be with you. But if this person is not meant to be with you, doesn't matter if you end up finding out that he or she is cheating and you end up forgiving and moving on and continue working on the relationship. If this person is not meant to be with you, sooner or later you guys are going to split and you're going to part ways. So, and if this person wants to be the one for you, then you wouldn't be feeling this way, or you wouldn't be going through this situation. So it's always best, when you don't feel happy with that person and you have any doubt, to always wait the good things that you have lived with this person, and the bad ones. If there are more bad ones, then why would you want to stick around? Why do you want to, you know, find out whether or not that person is being unfaithful? You already have the answer. You're unhappy regardless. So just, you know, decide to do the right thing for you and that person, which is start a new chapter in your life, right? It's that simple. Even though it hurts, I mean, that's the best choice. Anyway, so that's the meaning of dreaming, you know, that your partner cheats on you. I hope this video was useful to you guys. And if you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, do so. If you like this type of content, know that I just don't upload dream interpretation videos. I also upload reviews and makeup and stuff that is not related to makeup as well, you know, app tutorials. Soon I'm going to be uploading how to actually make also polymer clay earrings like the ones that I'm wearing. These are handmade by me. So I'm going to also be making those type of tutorials here, so you guys, if you're interested in making your own jewelry, or at least are curious how this is done, then you'll be able to see how it's actually made. So And for those who follow me and have been sticking around for a very long time here to Chica View, thank you so much for following me and watching my videos, liking, commenting, and doing all that. I really appreciate it. And I guess we have reached the end of the video. Soon I will be uploading another video. I'm not sure what type of subject I'll be uploading, but I'll be uploading another video for you guys. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.